Welcome to Attendum, the smart and versatile solution for all your attendance monitoring needs. Designed specifically for educational institutions, Attendum simplifies attendance management, making it more efficient and effective. With Attendum's Bluetooth-based proximity technology, students simply register their attendance on the app upon entering the room, and the system continuously tracks their presence throughout the session. This approach saves time for the staff and offers a seamless experience for students. Integrated with your institution's systems, Attendum provides real-time data, improving accuracy and streamlining administrative tasks. Attendum significantly enhances the student experience by providing an easy-to-use app and self-service portal. Students can manage their attendance effortlessly, stay on top of their schedules, and feel more accountable for their attendance. From an administrative perspective, Attendum delivers powerful data and insights. With real-time monitoring, advanced analytics, and customizable reports, it gives you a complete view of attendance patterns and trends. Operationally, Attendum offers a low-maintenance, scalable, and entirely wireless system that integrates seamlessly with existing learning management and timetabling systems, while ensuring compliance with visa, financial aid, and accreditation requirements. Attendum's early warning system provides timely alerts when students are at risk of poor attendance, enabling immediate intervention before problems escalate. By improving attendance, institutions can boost both retention rates and academic performance. Additionally, with custom and automated reports, you'll have the exact data you need at your fingertips, tailored to your institution's requirements, allowing for efficient decision-making and resource optimization. Attendum is not only reliable, but also cost-effective. The installation process is simple, with wireless battery-powered devices that last up to 2 years. The system requires virtually no maintenance and has minimal impact on your network infrastructure. Plus, its easy integration with existing IT systems ensures a smooth rollout across your institution. To explore how Attendum can work for your institution, be sure to check out our additional videos on registration methods and pricing models. We offer flexible pricing options and even a free trial, so you can experience the benefits firsthand. Thank you for watching and for considering Attendum as your attendance monitoring solution. With Attendum, you can streamline operations, enhance student engagement, and make data-driven decisions.